Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean. And first of all, I want to say I am so sorry for not getting my video out on Saturday, yesterday. Things happen, and that's all, things happen. But anyway, we are here to draw the winner of this shabby embellishment box that we made for week 3 of the Summer Craft Hop giveaway. And I'm going to do this video with the drawing, and then I will do another video with the actual craft that for this week. Anyway, this is the embellishment box that we are drawing for, full of goodies. I am sticking a few extra things in there that I didn't show, so it will be a surprise. And I know y'all want a tutorial for this box. I am working on it. This has been a bad week, and I'm sorry, but I am trying to get to everything. My grandson is out of school for the summer, and he is ADHD, and since his medicine that he takes for that suppresses his appetite tremendously, I do not give it to him during the summer. So he's quite a handful during the summer, and it's a little hard to do as many videos as I would like to do. I would also like to be able to draw for the winners live, but you have to have 1,000 subscribers for that. So y'all do me a favor and click the subscribe button down there so we can start doing live drawings, because I'm gonna have many more giveaways, y'all. Okay, I had the requirement to be entered into this giveaway for this embellishment box was to leave a comment on the video, like the video, be a subscriber, and in your comment you had to leave either the butterfly icon or the word butterfly. Now, I had 44 comments under the video, which is awesome, and I thank each and every one of you. You do not know how much I appreciate all of you. But I only had 33 who actually did what had to be done to be entered. Leave the butterfly or the word, and like and subscribe and all that. So y'all, we're gonna have next week's giveaway. Wait till y'all see what I'm giving away next week. Y'all aren't gonna believe it. You're gonna love it. But anyway, let's go ahead and do the drawing for this, and I'll tell you a little bit. I do it like this. I know it takes me a minute to fold up all the papers, but I want y'all to see that it's fair. Like I said, I would like to be able to do it live, but because I can't, I want to make sure that y'all see your name and know that you were in the drawing and that everything is fair. So hopefully you've seen your name and know what's going in this box. And I'm just folding all the names up the same, half and half again, putting them in the box, and then we'll shake it up and put the lid on and draw one. But anyway, I have a few videos that I'm trying to do for this week, and I'm not going to promise y'all I'm going to get them all out. With, like I said, with him home, it's a little bit hard to do a lot of things. So anyway, I've got a project share of a memory deck swap that I'm doing. I, for the very first time, have done steampunk, which I've never done before, and posed a real challenge because y'all know I like to layer and make everything super dimensional and use flowers and feathers. And when it comes to steampunk, you just cannot do that. So it really posed a challenge for me, I'm not gonna lie. But I got it done, and I'm gonna share it with y'all. And I also have created something that I'm going to do a project share and a mini tutorial on. And that will be for this week's hop video. This is the last week of the hop, and for anyone who is just joining, there is a $30 grand prize giveaway. And in order to be eligible for it, you must go to all 6 channels, which will be linked below. And you're going to have to like and comment on each of the hop videos. You're going to have to subscribe and be a visible subscriber to all the channels that are participating in the hop. And on the 29th, the last Saturday of the month, Carrie, who is our host of Handcrafted by Carrie, I'm sorry. She is going to do the drawing for the grand prize. So y'all make sure to go visit all of the other 5 channels and check out their hop videos. You'll see the same picture in all of them, the blue background with the yellow sunflower, and it's like a wood background. But you need to go to each one of those videos and leave a comment and like the video and subscribe to all 6 channels. That's 5 other ladies and me, and then you'll be qualified to be entered into the drawing for the $30 PayPal transfer, which will be transferred to your PayPal, and that is open to international, and it's just for everyone. Everyone is eligible to participate in that one. Now, each channel is also having giveaways of their own, one or more. Some are having more than one, some are having one. I'm having one each week, which I've been doing. And I'm also going to have one more giveaway, which I will do on the 30th to give everyone the full weekend, since there's no craft to be uploaded. I'm trying to stop saying and it's not working. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyway, y'all go check out the other channels. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channels. Well, I did this last week and it worked fine. Okay, let's just do like this. We're going to put the lid on. We're going to shake it up real good. And I'm going to take the lid off. And I'm going to, I got my eyes closed, y'all, I promise. Draw a name. Let's see who our winner is. Congratulations, Jacqueline Haley, Hand of the Queen. Now I cut off her name. I didn't mean to, but I know who she is. I subscribed to her channel, and she is a very talented lady. So, congratulations, Jacqueline. You have won this beautiful embellishment box, and y'all stay tuned. I'll have my video up by tomorrow afternoon, Monday afternoon, of the hop video for the craft, and I'm gonna show y'all what else I'm gonna give away for this week. Y'all are gonna love it. Anybody who's a shabby creator or does junk journals, you're gonna love this week's prize. But anyway, congratulations, Jacqueline. I'll go ahead and link her channel below so y'all can go check her out, because she's a very talented crafter. She is like me, she likes shabby. So anyway, thank y'all for subscribing, watching, liking, sharing, and have a crafty evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.